Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at how to build an AI chatbot screen using the Ionic Design Kit. This tool makes app development easier by giving you a full set of pre-made elements. Let's dive into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout, created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to catch all the details. Today, we're walking through how to design a clean and user-friendly AI chatbot screen for your app. A chatbot screen gives users an easy way to ask questions, get support, and complete tasks, all through simple conversations. When designed well, it makes interacting with your app feel natural and effortless. Using the Ionic Kit's design components, all based on the Ionic framework, you can build a consistent, polished chatbot interface without any extra hassle. The Ionic Design Kit gives you a full library of ready-to-use components. Designers can drag and drop what they need without having to build everything from scratch. Developers get real Ionic framework elements to work with, which cuts down on coding time and keeps everything running smoothly. It's a great way to speed up your workflow and make collaboration easy. If you're looking for code snippets or setup instructions, you'll find everything over on our website. Ready to take your Ionic projects further? The Ionic Design Kit helps you build intuitive designs and makes development a lot smoother. That's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.